Hello, adventurers, and welcome. Today, we are embarking on an absolutely epic quest. Our goal? The legendary castle of fluency. And guess what? The map is hidden right inside your daily life. We're going to transform language learning from this tedious grind into a series of exciting challenges you can start, like, right now. So, let's get this journey started. You know that feeling? Does it ever feel like you're putting in the time? Maybe you've got weekly lessons or you're on an app for a few minutes a day, but your progress is just, well, it's crawling along. It's a super common frustration. It's like you're fighting this dragon of slow progress, but you feel like you're stuck in the exact same spot. So, what if the secret isn't about practicing more, but practicing smarter? We are going to completely reframe your whole approach. By turning these simple daily activities into little mini quests, you're going to see your language skills level up way faster than you ever thought possible. Okay, our first journey takes us to a place we all spend hours in every single day, the digital realm. This is where we're going to turn what's usually a distraction into an incredibly powerful tool for immersion. I mean, think about it. Your phone, your laptop, your social media feeds, we usually see them as time wasters, right? But we're going to flip that on its head. We're going to enchant these devices so that every single time you pick them up, you're stepping deeper into the language you really want to master. So here are 4 simple spells you can cast on your digital life. First up, change your device's language to your target language. Seriously, you'll absorb all this tech vocabulary without even trying. Second, curate your social media. Go follow a bunch of native speakers, so every scroll becomes a little mini lesson. Third, if you're a gamer, this one's for you. Join a foreign server. You'll be amazed at how fast your speaking skills improve when you're practicing every day. And finally, dive into Reddit communities about your interests. It's an amazing place for really high-quality written interaction. And here's another awesome way to level up. Find blogs on subjects you're already passionate about. Cooking, sports, tech, literally anything. See, unlike news articles, blogs are usually written in a really colloquial, friendly style. This is a fantastic way to pick up slang and natural phrasing that'll make you sound way less like a textbook and a lot more like a native speaker. Okay, now that we've conquered the digital realm, it is time for our next quest. We're stepping away from the screen and out into the physical world to really bring your new language to life. And listen, you do not need a plane ticket to a foreign country to immerse yourself, I promise. Your own town is filled with these hidden portals to the culture and the language you're learning. You just have to know where to look for them. This is where you get to engage all of your senses. Try cooking with recipes in your target language, or maybe follow along with a native chef on YouTube. Turn a dinner out at an authentic restaurant into a full-on practice session. And for a real vocabulary treasure hunt, go explore a foreign supermarket and discover words for ingredients you've never even seen before. And don't be afraid to create your own little immersion bubble. The source for this explainer shared this great story about going to a Spanish restaurant in London. She and her friend just told the staff, hey, just pretend we're in Spain. And you know what? The waiters absolutely loved it. This simple request created this fun, memorable experience, and it just proves that most people are more than happy to help you practice. All right, for our final quest, we turn inward. Immersion is fantastic, but, every great adventurer needs a place to train, to sharpen their skills. This is your inner sanctum. This is where we build that strong foundation. These are the focused solo exercises that really forge your understanding of grammar, of sentence structure, of vocabulary, all the stuff that gives you the confidence to actually use the language you're absorbing from the world around you. Here are 2 really powerful rituals for your training. First, read a translation of a book you already love, something like Harry Potter. Since you already know the plot, you can just focus on soaking up new words and sentence structures in context. Second, start a private diary. This is such a low-pressure way to practice expressing your own thoughts and feelings, and it builds that crucial bridge between just knowing words and actually using them. Now, for those of you who want to really accelerate your progress, you might consider a high-intensity daily challenge. Committing to a class every single day, even for just a set period, creates this powerful momentum that, sporadic learning just can't match. It's all about making a huge impact on your fluency, and fast. So, a concrete example is a program like the Lingoda Language Marathon. It's this structured 3-month challenge where you take daily classes with native teachers. But the real game changer here is the incentive. If you complete the marathon, you could get a full refund. That level of commitment and motivation, wow, it can forge some incredible progress. And for the ultimate immersion quest, you can actually turn your vacation into a language course. Instead of a typical holiday, you could spend a week or two in a country, taking classes in the morning and then exploring in the afternoon. You will learn an incredible amount and meet new friends to practice with every single day, even after you get back home. So, there you have it. From the digital realm to the physical world and deep into your own inner sanctum, we've mapped out all these powerful quests on your journey to fluency. Your adventure awaits. But remember, the point of a quest isn't to do everything at once. That just leads to burnout. The real key is just to start. Just pick one or two of these ideas that sound fun to you and actually put them into practice. And that brings us to the final and honestly the most important question. This is where your adventure truly begins. Looking at all of these different paths, which one calls out to you? What will be your first quest? Every great quest begins with just a single step. So start small. Right now, pick one digital habit to change. This week, try one real-world activity. And tonight, start one new study habit. Your language adventure is waiting for you. Now, go begin.